Hey, John Cristani here. Once again, going to show you how you can earn a lot of money online. Let's make some money online, folks. I'm going to show you in this video 3 different ways you can earn $35 plus an hour just listening to audio and transcribing it and just writing it down. It's all you have to do. Just listen and write it down on the computer. There's lots of work in this field. It's all crowdsourced. All of the jobs have moved to the internet and companies are begging to find people to work with in this, and it's great. So I'm going to show you the 3 best companies that you can find work listening and just typing out what you hear in just a second here. Let's get it. Oh, hey there. Sorry, I was just listening to music or whatever and making $35 plus an hour. No, but it's a little more complicated than that. You actually have to listen and you have to type out what you hear. And I'm going to show you 3 ways on my computer here. Let me go into this. So the big trend that's happening is crowdsourcing, okay? Folks, companies don't want to hire employees as much anymore. There's a lot of reasons why. There's liability issues. You have to pay for office. You have to pay for rent. You have to pay for food. You have to manage them. You have to deal with people's emotions. You have to deal with office politics. You have to deal with all of these annoying aspects of having employees that cost a lot of money. When using people from the internet, which is called crowdsourcing, just allows companies to pay for results. Now, check this out. And this is good news for you because if you are looking to work at home, first off, you could get my book. The link is in the description. It's called Work at Home: Secrets and Scams. You'll find out about what are all of the ways to work at home. And also you can learn about different scams to avoid because there are a lot of scams that people sell as work at home opportunities that aren't really work at home opportunities. You know, they're like, it's like fraudulent checks or it's like money laundering or stuff like that, right? So you got to know what to avoid. But for this, I'm going to show you how to make money just listening to music or listening to audio and making money. So the 3 sites that you'll want to check out. So let's start with site number 1. So site number 1 is a site called Scribby or something like that. And you'll want to look at that. It's scribby.com. You just type this in right here, okay? And literally you just transcribe and you can make money. So what you can see is if we go down here, you can look and you can see transcribers. So you'll want to click this link that says transcribers if you want to sign up as a transcriber, right? They're trying to get companies, right here to pay for their services, but we're interested in making money from them. So you go to this link that says transcribers right here, and it's a company based out of San Francisco, and you would click apply now, okay, for a transcription test. So as you see, this site pays anywhere from $5 to $25 per hour US dollars, okay? That's how much you can make. So they explain to you a little bit about the service. They explain to you about the transcription process, the review, the proofreading, and the quality check, how it all works right here. So $5 to $25 per hour. And you can also be an affiliate marketer for this company, which I am, right? When people sign up for it, I earn like 2% commission, something like that. So that's how I earn money. And I have thousands of people I show how to work at home each and every month. But for you, you can earn $5 to $25 an hour. Let's go into the second way that you can work from home listening to audio and writing it down or typing it, called transcribing. Let's get it, okay? Now let me know in the comments, have you ever heard of the word transcribe before? Type in yes, I've heard of it, or no, I haven't. But people don't know this is a job. Transcription is a job. It's a real job to be a transcriber. Now this next site is called rev.com, and you can see that right here. We have rev, and you just type in .com after that. And this is a site that I actually use a lot. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars with, actually, because I come out with online courses. I also come out with books, right, that I sell online. And I need these things translated into different languages because the world's a pretty big place. Not everybody speaks English, right? So I need to translate it into over a dozen languages. So I hire transcribers or transcriptionists or whatever you call them. And as you see, you can earn money transcribing or captioning from the comfort of your house. You don't need anything. You just need audio and you need a computer. You get paid weekly. This site pays via PayPal, so it makes it very appealing for work completed, and Rev is on time and dependable with payments. Now, for me, from America at least, they are not currently accepting applications from your location, but that doesn't mean that they're not accepting applications for people that speak other languages. So now if you speak another language, let me know in the comments below what other language you speak other than English. I'm assuming there's some people who speak Arabic here, or Nigerian, or Moroccan, or Saudi Arabian, or whatever languages are out there. I'm messing with you guys. But let me know what language you speak in the comments below. And maybe they're accepting people from your location. As I said, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars with this company. They make it very easy. They pay you. They've been featured all over the internet, and they pay you via PayPal. Great, great way to work. Great work at home job. You can make a lot of money doing this. Rhino coming at you with the third way you can actually work from home, listening and typing down text as a transcriber. This one's pretty good. This site is called Verbalink, okay? Verbalink.io, and you can just search it. You just search Verbalink right here. You can see that right there. Pause the video, type it down. And as you see, they say, please email us at jobs@verbalink.com. And if you're applying to work as a translator or as transcriptionist, you want to email translation@Verbalink. And this would be the one. You wouldn't want to email this because you don't want a job. You don't want a job. You don't want to go into someplace. You want to actually work from home. And if you're looking to work from home, you'll want to apply to translation@verbalink.com. Okay, and they have all the information that they're looking for here. They have an article that says what they're looking at. So just click the article, read what they're looking for, okay? What makes a great transcriptionist? I'm not gonna read it all for you because I'll make a really boring video, but this is how you get started. This is how you make it happen. And this is how you can make up to $35 an hour. Rev is the one that pays $35 an hour. They pay weekly via PayPal, but they aren't accepting people from the US. So let me know which one is the most interesting to you. Is it Verbalink? Is it Rev? Or is it Scribby? In the comments below. And let me know if this is actually an interesting thing to you, where you can actually just type in words that you hear, typing it in a Word document. So thank you for watching this video. Hit a big fat like button. Also make sure to subscribe if you're looking for more ways that you can actually work from home and create your own home-based income. And hit the notification bell if you're interested in seeing me live. Sometimes I do debates and I debate haters and whatnot. And if you are a hater that has a large YouTube following, let me know in the comments and I will debate you. Okay, I'm always looking for good people with big channels to debate, bigger channels than me. And also, as always, if you're interested in getting the book on how to work at home, make sure to check out the link in the comments, Work at Home, Secrets and Scams. This book has exercises. It's only $1 and includes monthly trainings, includes a free trial to monthly trainings from me about other ways, going deeper into ways you can work at home with me and my friends who are all internet millionaires like myself. So guys, let's get it. Let's start making some money. Let's live free. Let's have fun. And I'll see you in some of the next videos, hopefully. Talk to you soon.